हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मैं हूं आपकी दोस्त आयुषी जैन। इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द बेस्ट प्लेसेस टू विजिट इन दिल्ली। इफ़ यू लाइक माय वीडियो, प्लीज़ लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर द वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड ऑल्सो please press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications of my upcoming videos. Humayun's tomb. It was the first garden tomb on the Indian subcontinent and is located in Nizamuddin, East Delhi, India. It was also the first structure to use red sandstone at such a scale. The tomb was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1993 and since then has undergone extensive restoration work, which is complete. After a century from the construction, Humayun's tomb inspired the construction of the more famous Taj Mahal. Humayun's tomb is the tomb of the Mughal Emperor Humayun in Delhi, India. The tomb was commissioned by Humayun's first wife and chief consort, Express Bega Begum, in 1569 to 70, and designed by Mirak Mirza Ghias and his son Sayyid Muhammad, Persian architects chosen by her. Next is Hauz Khas village. Hauz Khas is an affluent neighborhood in South Delhi, its heart being the historic Hauz Khas complex, well known in medieval times. The Hauz Khas village has amazing buildings built around the reservoir. There are remnants of Islamic architecture, roughly colored by splotches of urban culture. Hauz Khas village is free of cost. It remains open from Monday to Saturday from 10:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. The restaurant and pubs remain open till 1 a.m. in the night. However, you can spot police and PCR when patrolling the Hauz Khas village after 12:30 p.m. to maintain security. Time required are at least 2 to 6 hours. At the entry of the beautiful vast reservoir, which is in itself a delight to the senses, is a deer park. The light and sound show conducted by the tourism department is a must to attend to gain insight into the history and the territorial and architectural splendor of this complex. Qutub Minar is a victory tower that forms a part of the Qutub complex, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in the Mehrauli area of New Delhi, India. The height of Qutub Minar is 72.5 meters, making it the tallest minaret in the world built of bricks. The tower was built to celebrate Muslim dominance in Delhi after the defeat of Delhi's last Hindu ruler. The construction of the tower was later taken over by his successor, Iltutmish, who constructed 3 more stories. Besides Qutub Minar, Qutub complex has many other ancient structures, included Quwwat-ul-Islam Mosque, Alai Darwaza, Iron Pillar, and Alai Minar. The next one is Delhi Zoo, or we can say National Zoological Park. Inaugurated in 1959, National Zoological Park, also known as Chidiyaghar, is situated near the Old Fort in Delhi and is a favorite weekend spot among adults and children alike. National Zoological Park is well maintained and is largely visited by tourists. It has canteens inside for the visitors and battery operated vehicles at very reasonable prices, which you could use if exhausted. But the real fun is in exploring the place on your feet. As you enter the National Zoological Park, several fascinating creatures welcome you to their ways of life. Chimpanzee, spider monkey, Asiatic lion, Royal Bengal tiger, brown antlered deer, swamp deer, black buck, white buck, leopard are found here, among others. A number of birds, such as great Indian hornbill, peafowl, storks, spoonbill, and eagles, can be found here as well. The center of the zoo has an underground reptile house such as Indian star tortoise, Indian rock python, common red snake, Indian cobra are present here as well. By 2008, it had 1,347 animals and 127 species. Do not play radio, tape recorder, or musical instruments, as animals do not like to be disturbed. Do not pluck the trees, flowers, or damage the lawns. Do not bring packets or polythene in the park. Do not feed the animals, as overfeeding spoils their health. Moving further is Red Fort. Red Fort is a historical fortification in the Old Delhi area. It was the main residence of the emperors of the Mughal dynasty. This imposing piece of architecture derives its name from its impregnable red sandstone walls. In addition to accommodating the emperors and their households, it was the ceremonial and political center of the Mughal state and a setting for events critically impacting the region. Today, this monument is home to several museums that have an assortment of precious artifacts on display. Every year, Indian Prime Minister unfurls the national flag here on the Independence Day. Shah Jahan constructed it as a result of a capital shift from Agra to Delhi. Red Fort was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in the year 2007. The next part of my video, that is Best Places to Visit in Delhi Part 2, will be released on 8th of August 2020. That is day after tomorrow. Till then, stay safe, take care, goodbye.